Are you looking to master C programming and kickstart your career with real-world projects? Welcome to ELEATION's C programming course, where we don't just teach you to code, we prepare you for the challenges of real-world software development. Whether you want to land a job, internship, or simply level up your programming skills, this course has everything you need to succeed. At ELEATION, we believe that learning to code should go beyond theory. That's why our C programming course focuses on real-world projects. You'll learn to write efficient, maintainable, and professional-level code through practical, hands-on experience. From developing software applications to solving real-life problems, our projects are carefully designed to prepare you for the workplace. Here's what sets our course apart: you get lifetime access to our self-paced video lessons, industry-standard project work, a course completion certificate, and more. You will also receive an internship letter of recommendation, and opportunities for real-world internships. It's everything you need to stand out and succeed in the competitive world of programming. Now, here's the best part. If you register today, you'll get a special discount. The course is originally priced at Rs 2,499, but for a limited time, you can enroll for just Rs 1,000. You get full access to the course and all its benefits for only Rs 1,000. Don't miss this opportunity. Scan the QR code on the screen to register now and start your C programming journey. Are you ready to take the next step in your programming career? Join ELEATION's C programming course and start working on real-world projects that will shape your future. Click the link in the description or scan the QR code to register now and pay just Rs 1,000. Don't wait, spaces are filling up fast. Start your journey to becoming a C programming expert today. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on more exciting content from ELEATION's YouTube channel. Share this video with your friends who are also interested in learning C programming and securing a job or internship.